Cal spot a big crab here.
I can't get up.
Go up here. A big crab in the swimming. Get it, Gandhi.
Oh, Bengal! Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Get it, Gandhi. Wait, any back?
Real Bengal. Ready, back? I close it on here. Don't up, don't up, don't do
Yeah,
up.
Gandhi. You must see crab, but I nothing. Hold on it.
I
Look at so good.
just took on him so far from
You
the
get two?
animals.
Oh.
Oh, banana.
So we gotta take our walk up. Look at Bachak.
Just them to baby shop.
Bachak walking on the leg here. Bachak walking tonight.
Yeah. I took out one day.
So we walking in the spring. Got Bachak on his branch. We let him know if you see anything again. What's a big crab right here?
It's two. It's two crab style.
Where?
The
Where
one,
that
the one on the day on them and he walk away.
Yeah, game.
one? No, that one.
No, you're alive.
Which game?
Not that one there. I got different one behind.
Okay, game here. Big one here.
Ow!
Next time I'll do one. Yeah.
I could,
Look at that, look, they're going up.
I could go.
You have to go down.
Yeah, you could go with your boots. Yeah, you could go with your boots. Again?
I'm not sure. I couldn't see properly.
Nah, you miss.
That's not one.
They're going up inside.
I ain't see it, not here. Oh, look, he's still there. I feel like it's a minute. Or just a rock out we were seeing. He right there. I feel he died.
Look at them.
That was a rock there.
Oh, alright.
Yes,
I'm going up more and see.
He's right ready. What's that? Look. Here, I just said. How do you do that?
You saw the ocean on that side? Oh.
Look at that.
You missed.
Hey, just on side. I'm going to take out my boots. I can't move outside. Just on the side of the side, eh? Ah.
You going to barefoot?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch your chin.
I find it.
Oh, that's all, huh?
I'm going to have to do now.
Right there, look at big one.
Wait,
Look right there, look right there.
where's your boy?
Oh, sorry.
Bush. Yeah, again. Take him out, take him out, take him out. Yeah.
Tell him. Okay, guys.
Look.
I'm going to outside, right? Look at nice one. I can see that here. That's all. Yeah, see. I could go to.
That's all good.
Oh, no, that's a boss. Okay, walking.
Daddy. One there. One on.
Take him. Ooh, you missed.
Look at mine.
Game.
He might be trapped. Somebody's right over there. I can't see.
It's a boy.
Oh, you see that?
No, that was yours, Kyle.
That was your boy.
That's some across here. You miss him?
Kai.
Look at big one right there. Look at big one right there.
Oh, this is so Kyle.
So empty all the catch for the night. 1 crab, 2 crab. 3. And
3 1/4.
yeah, Kyle. These scrippers here.
Show them the
Yeah.
grow.
Is it?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna put you with one.
And the big one can miss.
I don't think that is up one.
At least I catch story behind these two fish, right? First one is catfish. Daddy stick it, right? With a real thin line. It skates out. I get happy. I was lying down on the restaurant and I'm mountain, but we didn't have the phone to record. Daddy hooked the fish, he carried it around.
I bring it wrong, yeah.
It hits up the rock, we thought it was going to cut. But then we see it and I say, look at big pug. But then after I saw it came up again, and it was like a shark. Then I realized it was a catfish. And then Daddy sent us up for the gaff, and from the rock, he threw it down from real far. And Daddy catch it and then he pull it in and he wrestle with the fish in the water and thing. And then the lippy now, literally like 2 minutes, a minute after, he stick it, and he gave me to put and I said, and I saw it floats up but it wasn't swinging around. So he went in the water real rough. It wasn't the area where I was seen before. It was like a real high point. The water was real rough, right? Daddy, it wasn't swinging around, so Daddy needed to swim on like real deep water to go and get it. But then he went up on top of a rock and then he got washed off. But he keep on saying he jump off and his glasses and his light get soaked up. And then after that, Uncle Fat Boy somehow raise it and we didn't need to do none of that.
Yeah, so we had this we didn't even walk with the phone because we said we're just going to catch some crab for the morning, and we end up throwing, we catch a crab and we throw one line and Uncle Fat Boy catch just first lippy.
Yeah.
And then we use the catfish and then the second lippy. And that was the day. We said, nah, we had to come and clean this fish now because there's plenty load to carry up in the morning. Nice. So in the morning, it's 6:30. Yeah, the crew, we walking back. We walking back down to do all the morning fishing. As well as the night fishing, we just went for some crab. And we decided to just go through a line. And we catch a 2 lippy and a big catfish. So we're going back on the rock again to see if we catch anything. All the morning fishing. We don't like where you spring down there and you rock on that side. Oh, and the waterfall right there. So when we reach back on the rock, I'll let you know what we catch. Yeah, so we come back early this morning, sun coming out there, so we're fishing. Yeah, I know, catch up around there, Fat Boy there, Nathan there, and Kyle, where you are there? Kyle now pull up a grunt and all too. So the morning fishing has start off too bad. We crab finish, but let me see. So I'm going to take out your Kyle. Now what's the fish? You have a nice fish there. Sorry, I didn't pull up my phone in time for him to see him pull him in his up. We're trying to get out the hook, right? But fishing now started to go good in this morning. Yeah, the water not as rough as yesterday too. Oh, our next big one. It have a Fat Boy catch a nice big one there. It have a bank somewhere out there because I will be catching in a bank. Yeah. And them boys are them fishing there. So can't catch one just like that and end up using it for bait. How the fishing going? It's going slow for Nathan, can't catch a grunt. Fat Boy just let go a redfish. But easy fishing this morning. You see some green water coming across there, we end up the current, the fish are going to bring in some fish. We'll let know if we catch anything again.
So we going to go fry some of the catfish for breakfast. It is some slices and have some seasoning.
Bring some seasoning and mix it up. And you have to put in Nathan secret
Very good.
Yeah.
Smell like pepper. You sure it's not pepper?
Mix it up. So we have an idea, we got to use a plastic bag and season it up in the plastic bag.
Very good. Very good. Got to put more?
Yeah, you have to put Nathan's secret
Got a little bit more seasoning?
Ain't now. Nathan, we put Nathan have a
What?
secret. No, well. Right.
Shake it up.
Nathan have a secret mix here.
Man.
What, Nathan, what your secret mix is? It's a secret. Nathan have a secret.
Two things for itself.
Yeah, you have a secret recipe there. So we can't tell all these secrets.
Any two common thing it out. Carabani, pepper.
Curry, all purpose.
Alright, that's good.
Yeah, we can't tell all the
You
rest.
gotta stick it up.
Right. That shake up there. Drop it in the flour now.
Flour.
Alright, I'll open up the flour bag. We have a flour, some flour there. And we have the pot. Well, a branch hole in the pot there. But you gotta take out that branch. Yeah, we're frying that branch right now.
That's oil.
That is oil.
Oh, damn.
Alright. And we have Kyle on the
Ready?
chef today. Let me I'll throw the flour inside.
Why that?
Right, so you
Put
have the
some
fish
flour.
now. Throw in the fish now. It mix up in the bag. So now we gotta fry the fish now. Careful, the oil might be a lot hot. Put in the fish there. Put in. You can put all one time.
Oil?
Or two at a time? Two at a time.
After the two. Look at that, Matty.
Fry fish this morning.
Last week.
Put it inside here, one time. Right.
I can see about the fish.
We fry some fish and you have 4 crayfish to fry after this.
What
And we have the catfish frying right now. Have a nice golden color because Nathan secret seasoning and everything. I have
I can
curry.
like KFC rice again.
It's like KFC. And then Kyle had some crayfish here. That going in the fire there now.
I put some the crayfish like that.
Right, so the fried fish done, fried catfish, and Kyle got in the crayfish now. I think it's 4 crayfish. Yeah, real food for breakfast.
And plus bread.
And bread, yeah. As you see.
Is everything good?
You can notice how dirty Kyle does be, his wipey pants, the hand on his
Ah.
pants. Like that?
Now one.
One more.
That's just the ass, you know?
Oh, the ass and cooking.
No, again dirty.
Oh,
When you're fishing, you know, when your hand dirty, you gotta wipe it.
on your clothes. Oh.
Mommy gonna kill me though.
Alright, I got the
Yeah,
crayfish. So, fried crayfish now.
What do I do with it?
Kyle, you wanna flip them? It's hot. Two more flip again. Right.
Like that dinner.
Yeah, so the breakfast, bread, fried fish, crayfish, and we'll get Kyle. And what's the wood on the fried fish?
Again.
It isn't good? Yeah, fish, yeah. Open it and put it inside, it's hot.
I can get this one.
Yeah, put it inside there, but eat it.
Oh, it's hot.
Making a sandwich, yeah.
Bread.
Okay. I broke.
And you go take a bite.
A second.
Yeah, second bite. Now you fish fry. Hot.
You have to taste the curry in it.
This is curry. There's your breakfast. How you going?
Bad.
You been real bad?
Yeah.
You come
I'm
back again?
tired.
You're real tired? How what you need then?
Real tired. Hot. If we come back again, that have to be way less sweet.
Yeah. So we now coming up the mountain. We now come up that little steep part there. And pressure.